Oh, bonjour. Bonjour. Got 6 more of these bulbs. Plus the 2. I guess maybe I should have gotten another one, but that way I'll have 9. But an even number is better than odd, because typically the fixtures take 2 bulbs at a time. But that's not what this video is about. It's about this bulb. Is burgundy. See that kind? Yeah. This was our oven light. I don't know if you can see. Maybe not really. Oh yeah, there it is. The filament is still intact. So this is still a good bulb, but the base of it had unglued itself and was just no good. So I think we'll just solder a line cord onto it and use it for a bulb on a cord that nobody needs. Because it's still useful. I don't know what the hell to use it for. I guess you can kind of drape it over a pipe or something that's hanging and that'll act as a... I don't know. But this way at least you get some use out of it rather than just throwing it out. Alright, I got the soldering iron cooking up. Here's an old cord that I have no idea what it's from. And we just have this here. We're just going to strip off some insulation. Just like that. I'm not going to pay attention to polarity in this case either, because it's simply not necessary. I stripped the wire back like this very long because I'm going to try to be cheap and use some of my real thin heat shrink tubing, and I'm just hoping that the iron isn't going to shrink itself on there permanently, because it just fits, if you could see up close. So I don't think it's going to work. It's probably going to fuck everything up, but that way I could do that and then shove it all the way down in there. Put the other side on, just like that. Shove that all the way down, and then hopefully somehow attach this to the bulb. I'll do that off camera so I don't look like an idiot, and we'll go from there. So that's the first connection. See, it's just barely attached. We'll solder that, and then hopefully we can attach the other one. That one fortunately is longer, so it should be even easier. Tin the iron. It's actually not the cleanest iron I've seen. That's looking better. Now it may not be hot enough to take any solder, but yeah, it did. Always liked the smell of solder. Always meant shit was getting done. I guess maybe a cooler iron is better for this, because again, I just want to really just tack it without melting that wire there, that heat shrink rather. That actually looks like a pretty damn nice soldering job. I didn't get my little linesman's pliers to hold the iron, so it's just in the sink. Let me turn the screen here. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, let's go to the next one. Pretty good. While we're good, let's see. Shit, I really don't want to move this much, because it's still... I'm just going to really test it here. Everything's safe, so... Oh yeah. And I think... I don't know if electrical tape or just duct tape or something. Probably duct tape would be better. But let me get the insulation on there. Now, rinse. Just let that cool off for a minute. Alrighty, now just some electrical tape. Just sort of wrap around where the base used to be. See if I got the wires together there. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to get the right angle here. And just a little more tape. Try down here. Now the arm is in the way. Now you can see what I'm doing. Just squeeze that down like that, and I think another piece of tape. I'm just not thrilled with it just yet. I want to just get it all the way down in the area where, like that, so that way it makes for a nice molded fit, so to speak. Take this out of the clamp. And there you go. It's a small dent right there, but whatever. Now it's a little test lamp or something. I don't know. It's an outlet tester? Okay, there. It's an outlet tester. Just be careful with it. I don't know what it is. Didn't want to throw out a bulb that still worked. You know, that didn't make any good sense to me. When you're a hoarder, that kind of thing happens, you know. That's going to get too hot for the tape, I'm sure, but we'll just clamp it in here. And I'll sit it on this, if I may. There we are. That out of the way. And just let them cook for a little bit. Alright, well, there it is. Just either a 25 or 40 watt appliance bulb. I don't know if it's even marked. If it was, youch, that gets hot. If it was marked, then it certainly burned off in the oven. Could put it in line with something to see the current draw, maybe. I don't know what to do with it, but it's there as a bulb that works now. So if anybody knows what I could use this thing for, or how to better reinforce it, let me know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.